Imagine a future where humans build cities on Mars, robots mine asteroids for precious metals, and artificial intelligence manages entire space missions without human error. Sounds like science fiction, right? But by 2040, this vision could become our reality. Welcome to Tech Tomorrow, the channel where we explore the innovations shaping our future. Space exploration has always been one of humanity's boldest dreams. From the moon landing in 1969 to the Mars rover missions of today, every step we've taken into space has pushed the boundaries of technology and imagination. But what's coming next is even more incredible. Artificial intelligence, robotics, and futuristic engineering are redefining how we look at the stars. By 2040, the way we explore space will be unrecognizable compared to today. Let's dive deep into the future of space technology and uncover how AI and robotics will completely transform our journey into the cosmos. 1. AI-powered mission control. Traditionally, space missions are controlled from Earth, with teams of scientists and engineers monitoring every movement of a spacecraft. But there's a huge problem: communication delays. For example, sending a signal to Mars can take up to 20 minutes one way. That means if something goes wrong, by the time humans respond, it could already be too late. This is where AI steps in. Future missions will have intelligent onboard systems capable of making split-second decisions without waiting for Earth's approval. Imagine a Mars rover detecting a dust storm and instantly moving to safety all without human input. These AI-powered mission controls will reduce risks and make space travel much safer. 2. Robotics in space exploration. Robots are already essential in space. We've seen robotic arms on the International Space Station and rovers like Perseverance exploring Mars. But by 2040, robotics will be on a whole new level. We'll see autonomous construction robots building habitats on the Moon and Mars, using 3D printing technology with local materials like lunar dust or Martian soil. These robots won't just build shelters, they'll create entire bases where humans can live and work. Imagine robotic miners extracting water ice from craters on the Moon. That ice can be turned into drinking water, breathable oxygen, and even rocket fuel. Robots will literally create the resources needed for humans to survive off Earth. 3. Space mining, the billion-dollar industry. Asteroids are floating treasure chests filled with rare metals like platinum, gold, and cobalt. By 2040, mining these space rocks could become a trillion-dollar industry. But who will do the mining? Not humans, robots. Autonomous mining bots, guided by AI, will travel to asteroids, extract valuable minerals, and send them back to Earth or space stations. This could solve resource shortages on Earth and open up a brand new economy in space. Just imagine, the future gold rush won't happen in California, it'll happen in the asteroid belt. 4. AI in astronaut training and health. Astronauts face extreme physical and mental challenges in space. Future space programs will use AI to train astronauts in hyper-realistic simulations, preparing them for every possible emergency. Once in space, AI health assistants will monitor astronauts' vitals, predict medical issues, and even perform robotic surgeries if needed. A small crew on Mars won't need a human doctor because AI-powered medical bots will take care of them. This will ensure that astronauts can survive long missions, whether it's on the Moon, Mars, or even beyond. 5. Space tourism becomes mainstream. By 2040, space tourism won't just be for billionaires like Elon Musk or Jeff Bezos. Thanks to advancements in reusable rockets and AI-controlled flights, space travel could become as common as international air travel today. AI will manage spacecraft systems, while robots serve as attendants in orbital hotels. Imagine taking a family vacation to a luxury space station, looking down at Earth from 400 kilometers above. Space tourism could become a booming industry, reshaping how humans experience adventure. 6. Colonizing Mars and beyond. Perhaps the most ambitious dream of all. Building permanent human colonies on Mars. With AI and robotics, this goal is no longer science fiction. Robots will prepare the environment by building habitats, power stations, and farms before humans even arrive. AI will regulate life support systems, ensuring breathable air, clean water, and sustainable food production. By 2040, we could see the first self-sustaining Martian city, powered by renewable energy and maintained by intelligent machines. This won't just be a scientific achievement, it could be the beginning of humanity becoming a multiplanetary species. 7. The role of space AI in protecting Earth. Space technology won't just help us explore the universe, it will protect Earth too. AI satellites will monitor space debris, predict collisions, and even use robotic lasers to move dangerous objects out of orbit. AI systems will also track asteroids that might threaten Earth and design defense strategies to stop them. In other words, the same AI that helps us explore space could also save our planet from extinction-level events. 8. Space farming with AI. Food production in space is one of the biggest challenges. Traditional farming won't work in low-gravity environments. By 2040, AI-controlled hydroponic and aeroponic farms will grow crops in space stations and on Mars. Robots will plant, harvest, and recycle nutrients with maximum efficiency. Imagine astronauts eating fresh vegetables grown on Mars, all thanks to AI farmers. This innovation won't just help space travelers but could also solve food shortages back on Earth. 9. Space communication networks. The internet in space is still slow and limited, but by 2040, AI-managed satellite networks will create high-speed space internet. This will allow astronauts, colonies, and even tourists to stay connected with Earth in real time. Think of it as space Wi-Fi powered by AI. This will make communication seamless, no matter how far humans travel into the cosmos. 10. The ethical questions of AI in space. Of course, there are challenges too. Who will control AI in space? What if autonomous robots decide something humans don't agree with? Could space AI become a threat instead of a helper? These are the ethical questions scientists must solve as we step into this new frontier. But one thing is certain. Without AI and robotics, humanity's dream of becoming a spacefaring civilization would remain impossible. Conclusion. By 2040, space exploration will be a partnership between humans, AI, and robots. From building cities on Mars to mining asteroids, from space tourism to farming among the stars, technology is turning the impossible into reality. The future is closer than we think, and with every breakthrough, humanity takes another step toward the stars. This is the future of space technology, and it's going to change the destiny of our species forever. Thank you for watching Tech Tomorrow. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a glimpse into the future of technology. Together, let's embrace tomorrow, today.